Hey guys, my name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Outlook Mobile. So first of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version in order to get the newest features. Alright, now what you're going to do, you're going to open it up, right? And next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click my profile icon at the top left. You're going to find it, okay? Settings gear at the bottom left, click it. You're going to be able to see multiple options from here. Go ahead and click the general and then click account. You're going to see right here your account at the top with outlook.com. Click and you're going to be able to see multiple options from here. Scroll a little bit down and you're going to find remove account. Removing this account from the app will delete any local data stored in the app. Okay, you can just go ahead and hit remove or delete account. Okay, so this signs you out. To use Outlook again, you'll need to re-add your account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.